This 2022 Forest River Stealth FQ2715G is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Sandy, Oregon, 97055 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8 and 140 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bath, front bedroom, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Stealth FQ2715G is 7,847 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.